Hello students, this is the last part of chapter 4 Animal Kingdom. Last part, this is 8th part. In this, we have to compare salient features of different phyla. Already in 7 parts, we have discussed characteristics of 11 phyla. We have to compare it. Then, as usual, we have to discuss NCERT exemplars given in the end of this chapter in NCERT. And then in the last year to see that is previous year examinations questions, that the questions which have come in 2020, 2018, 17 and so on. This is last part, part 8, chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. In last part of the chapter, we used to discuss NCERT exemplars and then some of the questions which have come in previous year NEET examinations. So as this is last part of the chapter, we will go for NCERT exemplars, some of the sample questions, and then questions appeared in previous year examinations. But before that, because this chapter had been very interesting one, and in this chapter we have discussed, that is phyla of invertebrate and vertebrate. In total we have discussed 11 phyla. Now we like to summarize. We want to go for recapitulation so that in a bird eye view we can compare some important characters of all phyla. That will facilitate you to give answer of so many questions. For example, which one is having cellular organization of body, tissue grade of body organization, organ and organ system of body organization. How many phyla they have, that is organ system of organization. How many phyla they have incomplete digestive system, and how many we have complete. Which one is having pseudocoelom. So we will have a bird eye view of all the phyla, a very good comparative chart. We have to compare these. So in the beginning this is, that is salient features of different phyla in animal kingdom. Very important, very interesting topic this one is. This is summarized account of all the 7 part of this chapter, Animal Kingdom. You see the heads in which you have to compare. The first column, that is phylum, then level of organization, symmetry, coelom, segmentation, digestive system, circulatory system, respiratory system, and then the most important one, that is distinctive features, most that is important characteristic features of the particular phylum. So you see now, we'll go for phylum Porifera. What we have here, level of organization is cellular, symmetry, maybe symmetrical, maybe radial symmetry, coelom altogether absent, segmentation is absent, digestive system porifera is absent, circulatory system is absent, respiratory system is absent. All functions are done by each and every cell. There is no division of labor almost, and the body is having pores. The water canal system is present. Pores, that's why these are known as, that is sponges. Is it right? Come to the next. Coelenterata cnidaria. Cnidaria means they have cnidoblast. Cnidoblast are present. Cnidoblast are of different types. They have to perform different function. Tissue grade of body organization. Symmetry is radial. Coelom is absent. Segmentation absent. It is incomplete. It is absent. Circulatory system, respiratory system is absent. Cnidoblast is present, and these are, these are diploblastic. Is it clear? Come to the next now. Ctenophora. Tissue and organ grade of body organization is there. Tissues and organ. But the most important character, these are known as walnut organism. The 𝕊𝕆𝕋𝔼𝔼 comb plates are there which are ciliated. 8 comb plates are there which help in locomotion. About symmetry, these are radial symmetrical. Coelom is absent. Segmentation is absent. Digestive system is incomplete. Circulatory system absent. Respiratory system is absent. Comb-like, that is locomotory organ, these are. Come to the next now. Platyhelminthes, known as flatworms, that the anterior end is having suckers and the hooks are present at anterior end. I told you, hooks, they will help in attachment, and suckers, they will suck the nutrition in case of endoparasite. Organ system of level of organization. Bilateral symmetry. Yes, bilateral symmetry. This is flatworm, that is liver fluke. This is bilateral symmetry, left and right. Coelom is absent. You see, Porifera to Platyhelminthes, the coelom is absent up to this. Segmentation absent. Digestive system incomplete. Digestive system is absent only in Porifera, otherwise digestive system is present. You see, Coelentrates, Ctenophora and Platyhelminthes, the digestive system is, that is incomplete. Blind sac of body plan we have, while circulatory system is absent, respiratory system is absent. You see here, circulatory system, that is in this table up to this level, circulatory system is completely absent here. This is absent. In the same way, respiratory system is also absent. So don't you think this is a very good, that is comparative table? And here also segmentation. Segmentation, circulatory system, this, all these are absent. You can compare all this. You see the last one here, 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆, organ system of body organization, bilateral symmetry. Pseudocoelom, the phylum with pseudocoelom, very particular, you remember, that is 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆. Segmentation absent. The first phyla in which the complete digestive system, the anus and the mouth are present, this is 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆. Circulatory system is absent. Respiratory system is absent. And often worm shaped, these are round worm, these are also known as, that is called, that is round worms. Come to the next now. If you see annelids, the earthworm, body shows segmentation, ring-like structures are there, that's why annulus, that is annelids. Organ system of body organization, bilateral symmetry, we can divide into two equal halves. And first true coelom, remember, that is from annelid onward, all they have, that is true coelom. Very interesting one. Before annelid, the 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆, they were having what? They were having pseudocoelom. So this coelomate, first coelomate organism is, that is animals are of phylum Annelida. Segmentation, metameric segmentation present. Digestive system complete, that is onward. You see, complete, that has started where? That is complete, that is segment digestive system was started in 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆. Then 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆 onward, that is up to till last, that is chordate, that is digestive system is complete. I can add here, that is these are, but 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆 also, 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆, all they have, that is complete digestive system. Circulatory system, you see, if we'll go back, circulatory system is absent up to 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆, is it? Will you remember? While that is annelid onward, the circulatory system is, that is present up to, that is chordate last. Respiratory system, it is absent, and on arthropod onward, you see, arthropod onward, the respiratory system is present. So we were here in annelids, that is circulatory system present, digestive system complete, and respiratory system in annelids is absent. You see, body segmentation, that is 𝕆𝕆𝕋 segmentation is present. 𝕆𝕆𝕋 segmentation is present. Is it right? Come to the next, that is arthropods, organ system of organization, bilateral symmetry, true coelom, as I told you, that is true coelom is present here, that is segmentation is present, that is divisible into head, thorax, and that is abdomen. Already I told you this division is there. That is digestive system complete. Complete means that the mouth and the that is anus is present, complete. Circulatory system is present, but this is open circulatory system. Is it? Respiratory system is present. Respiration is by different means, you know. It may be by gills, maybe by book lungs, maybe by trachea. Already I told you, by book lungs, by gills, or by that is trachea. The important one, exoskeleton of cuticle. And you know, exoskeleton has made these arthropods. That is one of the successful group, important character. Successful, that is group of animal or arthropods because of exoskeleton made up of chitin. Come to the next now, that is mollusk. Yes, organization is organ system, symmetry bilateral. Now onward, that is bilateral symmetry is there. Can you recall it? That is bilateral symmetry that is started, that is from platyhelminthes onward. While in 2 we have that is radial symmetry is found in coelentrates and 𝕆𝕆. In rest of this we have what? That is we have that is bilateral symmetry. But one very important one, you know, in case of echinoderm we have to discuss separately. Mollusca, true coelom, segmentation absent, but the body is having that is what is head, foot, and the visceral hump is there. Tentacles are there. Complete digestive system, circulatory system is present. It may be closed in some or it may be open in some, both type. Respiratory system is present, is it? That is by that is below mantle, the cavity is there in which that is respiration takes place. External skeleton of shell usually present, as you know in case of phyla, that is this is made up of calcium carbonate. Okay. Echinoderms, the body is spiny body. We can write, I can write here, spiny body. Therefore, it is known as echinodermata. Organ system of organization, radial symmetry. You see that all except radial symmetry is found in echinoderms. Do you remember? Adults, they have different type of symmetry, and the larvae, they have different type of symmetry. The adults, they have radial symmetry. The larva has bilateral symmetry. Can I write here? That is, larva has bilateral symmetry. This is a very important characteristic of echinoderms. Coelom is present, segmentation absent, complete, circulatory system present, water-vascular system which perform different functions, and this is radial symmetry. One more important point is left in mollusca, that is radula is present. Radula, teeth-like organ in anterior part of the radula, which helps in grasping of the food. Then hemichordata, come on, neither these are chordates nor that is non-chordate. In between, organ system, they have stomachoid, they don't have notochord. Can I write? Stomachoid, I can write here. They have that is stomachoid is present, is it? In case of hemichordate. Bilateral symmetry, coelom is there. What is absent here? Segmentation is absent. Then complete digestive system, circulatory system present. This is present. These are worm-like. The body is having 3 parts: proboscis, collar, and trunk. That is, collar is having what? Stomachoid is present in collar, stomachoid, and respiration is done by excretion that is done by proboscis. Chordata, the highest phylum, organ system, that is bilateral symmetry, coelomate, that is any class, that is let may be all the class, cyclostomata, that may be that is species, that may be that is amphibia, reptiles, aves, and mammals. It is concerned to all general characters. That is coelom segmentation present. It is complete. It is present. This closed circulatory system. Closed circulatory system, that's why the capillaries are there. It is present respiratory system by lungs. Notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, gill slits with limbs and fins. These are some important characters of chordate. So see children, if I ask that is how many phyla they have segmentation, very important question. That is 5-star question. This one is segmentation. You see segmentation here is present in annelids, it is present in arthropods, and it is present in chordates. Segmentation 1, 2 and 3, you can go back also. Segmentation, are you seeing segmentation in any one of these? No. Therefore, the segmentation is present only, important, annelids, arthropods and chordata. Here the segmentation is metameric segmentation. Is it? This is the only phylum, a typical phylum, that is in which two types of symmetry are there, in adult and in larva. Is it? Stomachoid is found only in hemichordate. Is it clear? Then what more is left? Bilateral symmetry, about symmetry. That is bilateral symmetry found in all, starting from, that is platyhelminthes. Radial symmetry is found in coelentrates and they are in echinoderms also. Digestive system is totally absent in porifera. Incomplete, this is found in coelentrata, ctenophora and platyhelminthes. And complete digestive system, it is found where? That is till last, that is chordate. An important character. So on the basis of children, at least that is 2 to 3 questions. If you go through this table and logically you are remembering this table, so definitely that is good number of questions of this chapter can be covered by this table only. Okay, now we'll proceed to the next part, that is NCERT exemplars. We have to revise what you have done so far, how much you are going to remember. The first question is, in some animal group, the body is found divided into compartments with serial repetition of at least some organ. This characteristic feature is called. Try to understand. I told you right now, segmentation is present in, yes, annelids. It is present in, yes, arthropods, and it is present in, that is chordate. Chordate, if you see mammals, in mammals, that some of the organs they have repetition. For example, let this is vertebrae. Vertebrae are repeated. That is this one vertebrae, two vertebrae. So they have segmentation. So internal segmentation is present in chordate. And this segmentation, that is repetition. The same thing in case of earthworm. That is the same thing will be repeated here. That is this, the body like this. So this segmentation characteristic feature is called as metamerism, metameric segmentation. Is it clear? Question number 2. Given below are types of cells present in some animals. Which of the following cells can differentiate to perform different functions? Important. This is not given in NCERT, but even then you have to remember. These are interstitial cell. As per need, the interstitial cell, they can be changed to other type of cell as per requirement. That is present in all given below are types of cells present in some animal. Nematocyst, this is fully differentiated one. Coenocyte, differentiated one. This is differentiated one. This is the cell which can be changed to any other type of cell, differentiate into other type of cell. Right answer. Which of the following pair of animals have non-glandular skin? Non-glandular skin. Snake and frog. Yes. Chameleon and turtles. Frog and pigeon. Crocodile and tiger. Think it. Yes, these are chameleon and turtles. That is, both of these are reptiles. that is, the glands are absent. Non-glandular skins are there. Skin is without glands. Which of the following set of animals share a four-chamber? Very good question. Four-chambered heart. You know, complete four-chamber heart is found only in, yes, the birds, and that is mammal. So you have to find out. You have to find out. Amphibian is not bird. Reptile, this is. Crocodile, this is reptile. Lizard, reptile. Turtles are reptiles. Crocodiles are reptiles, no doubt. Birds and mammals, these have four-chamber heart. And crocodile is reptile, but even then it has four-chamber heart. This is right answer. Lizards doesn't have. Mammals and birds, they have. So this is important. The reptiles which have four-chamber heart. The right answer is, that is B. Okay. Birds and mammals, they share one of the following characteristics as common feature: pigmented skin. You cannot see skin of the birds. Even if the feathers are removed, the skin is not at all pigmented. This is not. Pneumatic bone is found only in birds. It is found only in, that is, birds, so it cannot be in mammals. Vivipary is found only in mammals, not in birds. So what's the important common character? Warm-blooded, that is animal. Warm-blooded, that is, these are the group of animals, birds and, that is, mammal, which can keep their body temperature constant. Right answer is D. Which one of the following set of animals belong to single taxonomic group? Important. Good question this is. Yes, cuttlefish is not fish. Jellyfish is not fish. Silverfish is arthropod. Dogfish is scoliodon. And starfish, this is only fish. You see, good question this is. This is only true fish. Otherwise, this one is echinoderm. And this one is, what is this? This one is, can you remember? Cuttlefish, that is a mollusk. Jellyfish, this is what? Can you remember? Jellyfish, Aurelia. This is a coelentrates, is it? And silverfish in arthropod. It cannot be the group. Bat is mammal. Pigeon is bird. Butterfly, all they can fly, but they belong to different phyla. Monkey, chimpanzee and man, all these are mammals. Silkworm is arthropod. Tapeworm, yes, you know, this is Platyhelminthes, Earthworm anile. Good question, very good question this is. Right answer. Which one of the following statement is correct? Mesoglea is present in ectoderm and endoderm in Obelia. Incorrect statement. Yes, this is there. Obelia, you know, is coelentrata. Coelentrates, these are diploblastic. They have ectoderm and they have, that is, endoderm. And in between two, undifferentiated, that is, mesoglea is present. What we have here in between, that is mesoglea. Is it right? Asterisk exhibits radial symmetry. This is right. Okay. We have to find out, that is incorrect statement. So that is fasciola is pseudocoelomate. Fasciola is pseudos. No, this is incorrect statement. Which one of the following is oviparous? Platypus. Platypus is mammal. That is oviparous mammal. That is whale. This is viviparous. Is it viviparous? This one is. Flying fox, viviparous. All these are viviparous, right? So these are some of the questions, that is NCERT examples. Now children, you have to pay attention to a very interesting part. I told you, chapter is very interesting one. Conceptual, if you are sound, you can give answer easily. That is 3 to 5 questions used to come in NEET examination. Some of the sample we have in NEET 2020, the question came, match the following columns and select the correct answer. Gregarious and polyphagous pest. Yes, this is, that is, they are found in group. They do not help and these are really detrimental to the crop. A, that will be fourth one. Right answer. Adult with radial symmetry. Larva with bilateral. I told you right now, echinoderms, where we have, this is echinoderms, second. First. Book lungs. Book lungs are found in scorpion, that is scorpion. Bioluminescence, that is 𝕆𝕆𝕋. Is it clear? Right answer is this. Very good question. Bilateral symmetry and 𝕆𝕆𝕋 animal are exemplified in platyhelminthes. That is 𝕆𝕆𝕋. These are bilateral symmetries there. Okay. Come to the next. Match the following columns. Select the correct options. Correct options. Correct. This is correction is there. Incorrect. This is correct option you have to find out. Correct itself is having correction here. Yes. Come on. 6 to 15 pair of gills. 6 to 15 pair of gills found in, yes, 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆. This is 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆. Is it right? Heterocircle caudal fin is found where in third, that is caudal fin in cartilaginous one. Air bladder is found in, that is bony fish, and poison sting is found in, that is this trigon. Right answer is this. Which of the following statements are true for the phylum Chordata? That is, Urochordata notochord extend from no head to tail. Then why it is called as urochordate? Urochordate means that is the chordate notochord is only in tail region. This is not correct. Invertebrate notochord is present during the embryonic period only. Yes, invertebrate notochord is present. Yes, during embryonic. Yes, after this that will be substituted by vertebral column. Vertebral column invertebrate. That's why these are known as vertebrate. Notochord will be substituted by, yes, vertebral column. This is right. Central nervous system is, it is dorsal, but it is hollow. Right? This is in case of chordate, dorsal system and hollow. In case of that is non-chordate, this is ventral. It is ventral and solid. Is it? So this is right. Chordata is divided into three subphyla: Hemichordata, Tunicata, and no. Hemichordata is not, that is subphylum of Chordata. Chordata subphylum, that is one is, one is Urochordata. Urochordata, right? One is, that is Cephalochordata, and one is, that is Vertebrata. These are the three subphylum. So we divide into subphylum. So what's the question? That which one is right? We have to find out the answer. So this is also wrong. So right answer will be, that is B is correct and C is correct. Is it right? Okay, children. So that is, we have to key for, that is animal which is not hemothermal. This is reptile. Identify vertebrate group then characterized by crop. This is aves, that is porifera spongiosy lined with flagellated cell coinocytes. National aquatic animal, that is river dolphin, and select the taxon mentioned that represent both marine, that is, and freshwater. This is Cnidaria. This is exclusively marine, and this is marine cephalochordate. Right? This is for this. Thank you very much, children.